Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my informative Soci Empire honest review and my honest opinion. Soci Empire basically a done for you social agency kit and done for you traffic system. After all, if you are a newbie and if you don't have any money making opportunities and if you don't have any experience, for this reason this Soci Empire. But don't take action just reading the sales page or watching the demo video. Complete my review first. I will discuss all the pros, cons, everything. After that, you can make the right decision. You can realize does it really worth or not. At the first, I will discuss. I will show the demo how it works, what you will get inside the Soci Empire. After that, I will discuss does it worth to buy or not, what's the traffic sources, what's the benefits, and my final opinion. After that, you can realize does it really worthable or not, and you can make the right decision. So guys, if you want to take action, then check my video description and get access with my custom bonuses with discount rate price. Okay, now let me introduce myself first. I am Raju Bhadra. I am an affiliate marketer. Over 9 years I am working here. At the first, I will show you the product summary. Okay, this is Soci Empire. Okay, the product offer Cindy Donovan, product price 18 USD. Purpose of this product: social media marketing, email marketing and agency business. Everything you will get inside this software. Okay, and it's upgrade 4 upgrades here. It's the short product summary. I will describe everything step by step. Okay guys, if you like my review, if you like all of my information, then like this video, and if you have any question about this Soci Empire, then comment in the comment box, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. Okay guys, at the first you have to know what is Soci Empire. If you want to buy a product or any software, at the first you have to know about it, the basic definition. Okay, Soci Empire is a cloud-based done for you influencer agency kit that finds desperate clients practically begging for the solution you can provide, and it's just take a few minutes, a few clicks. It's the main purpose of Soci Empire. It's the Soci Empire. Now I will show you the demo, what you can get inside the Soci Empire and how it works. After that, I will discuss how you can get traffic, does it really worthable or not, everything, and you can make the right decision. After completing my review, if you think it's fulfill your demand, you can take action, and if you think no, it's not fulfill my demand, then don't take action. I don't force you to choose this software, I don't force you to avoid this software. Okay, it's all depend on you, and if you want to make the right decision, then complete my review first, and step by step I will describe everything, I will show you everything. Okay, now let's see the demo. After purchasing this Soci Empire, you can get access, and it's the demo. At the first, you have to set up your account. You see how can you set up your account. You can watch the tutorial, then activate your agency website. Okay, you can use this Soci Empire in 2 ways: as your personal use, as a agency website, agency uses. Okay, you can use personally and you can promote any offer, any service, any software as you wish. Even you can build your agency website, you can work for your clients. Okay, you can sell your services, social media services. Okay, and you can do it, and you can watch the tutorial here how you can activate your agency. Just simply watch the tutorial. Okay.
Our recommended method is funnel as the your custom customize everything else.
Now connecting your autoresponder. You see here the MailChimp, and you can watch the tutorial how you can add your autoresponder here.
The Empire system messages the option because
okay,
page.
It's so easy and simple. And activating traffic, you can off it. Okay, it's the tutorial part. Now see the main dashboard. Okay, the funnel mates, it's the done for you funnel. Everything is ready here, and it's the SociEmpire agency dashboard. Okay, you will get all the funnels here. Click the funnels, you can see all the funnels. You can use the funnels. First, you can promote. If you want to promote this funnel, you can get your promotion link here, funnel link and traffic kit, download resources, integration, click and conversion rate and GP. Everything is here. And you see here a lot of funnels here. You can use any of the funnel. Then the builder, you see lead magnet funnel, video lead funnel, webinar funnel, review funnel, quiz funnel, social funnel. Just click create, and you can simply create your funnels here. Everything is done for you. Now if you want to build this type of funnel, you have to use ClickFunnels, you have to, or you can use Thrive, you can use Builderall. Why? If you get everything done for you as a newbie, why you buy this type of recurring product, recurring services to make this simple task? And for this reason, this is SociEmpire. Okay, now you see here the store. Okay, a lot of store, almost everything done for you. Okay, if you are a newbie, you don't know where you should start, how to start, don't necessary. First complete your tutorial and apply it. Okay, then how you can get traffic, it's the main part. Okay, done for you. In every online business, traffic is the main part. Always mind it. If you say any software, any service provides traffic, then you can get it. Okay, and you can get traffic in two ways. At the first, you can get their own traffic. Okay, I see you how we can do it. Okay, get traffic, it's their own traffic. You have to buy this traffic. And another is free traffic. You can get free traffic from Facebook, Instagram, and any other social media platform, and it's the paid traffic. And you see here how you can get this paid traffic. First click the get traffic. Okay, they provide home business traffic, internet marketing traffic, health, diet and fitness traffic, personal development traffic, stock, forex and crypto traffic, survival and preparing traffic. Okay, suppose I want to get health and fitness related traffic, okay, or internet marketing related traffic, then click the next button. Okay, traffic is the main part, and for this reason I spend my time here for generating traffic. If you don't generate traffic, then no done for you system, no done for you funnel helps you to get sales, get conversion. You have to focus on traffic. Okay, now and you can choose a lot of funnels here. You can choose any of the funnel, easy affiliate funnel system. Okay, then click the next button. Okay, then click the next button, and you see here if you want to get 90 to 100 click, then you have to pay 127 USD. Okay, you see here, and all the click ratio, all the price here, and it's super targeted. Okay, you already fill all the flaps here 1 2 3, and it's super targeted traffic. It's the paid traffic sources, and you can get free traffic sources here from Facebook, Instagram. Okay, and you can see here the agency. You have to set up your agency here, and mastery. You can join here this webinar funnel. A lot of opportunities here. Watch the tutorial and you can start your social media marketing perfectly. You can learn everything about social media marketing if you choose this agency kit. Okay. Now let's see what you can do. What do SociEmpire do for you? Okay. At the first, find clients for you with your done for you agency website. Suppose you want to sell your agency service, then it helps you to find your targeted clients from Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, LinkedIn. Then send automated email follow-ups to close more sales. I will show you how you can do it. Okay. At the first, I want to discuss what you can do. Okay. Then give you done for you hosted funnels to copy, paste, and deliver. If you want to sell the agency website, then you can use the done for you hosted funnel, and you just need to copy, paste, and deliver. And finally, brings a repeat customers paying directly to you, and this SociEmpire do for you. I think it's perfect. Here you see here the find clients. It's the main part, traffic. And if you don't get first time sale, then this agency kit helps you to auto responding your customer, nurture your customer. Okay, then give you hosted, done for you hosted funnels and a repeat customer. It's the main purpose this SociEmpire do for you. Okay, now see how it works. At the first, you can set up your opt-in form using this SociEmpire. I already show it. Then when people download your gift, when you set your opt-in, you set a free gift. When your visitor download the gift, you send here a offer, and if they buy, then you can make sales, you can make your conversion. Okay, fine. And if they don't buy your offer, then 30 days follow up, and this SociEmpire will do everything for you. And if they buy, then you can sell this agency kit, this agency service, and everything is done for you. If they buy, then send mail colon the funnel, done for you funnel, then copy and paste the funnel, deliver this funnel to your customer, your targeted customer, your buyer customer. Okay, this buyer customer, and expand your business. It's the super easy workflow, and this SociEmpire helps you to do it. Okay, first opt-in. If they download, then they see the offer, and if they buy, then fine, you make your first conversion. And if they don't buy, then 30 days follow up, and this SociEmpire will do everything for you. And if they buy, then send email for selling your agency services, and colon everything is done for you. You just continue the process. That's it. Okay, now why I prefer SociEmpire? I find out few reasons, and I just added here. You can start your social media marketing smoothly. If you don't want to buy your agency services, agency business, if you don't want to start your agency business, okay, fine, you can promote your any affiliate offer, any service, any software using the social media marketing. Okay, fine. So you can start your social media marketing smoothly. You can start agency business. It's an opportunity, extra opportunity to make money with this SociEmpire. Okay, then free and paid traffic sources included here. I already show it. Everything is ready for you. I already show you it. And step by step training for the beginners. I already show you it. And plug and play software hosted for you and your clients. If you sell the agency service, then you provide everything as like when you buy this SociEmpire, what you get inside this SociEmpire, your client also get the same thing, and it's 100% risk free. Why? How? Suppose you buy this software and you can get the first 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, it's fine. And if you face any problem, then you can contact with the support team. You can, and if you think it's no, it's not perfect for my perfect for me, it's not fulfill my demand, then you can refund this product. And I can say it's 100% risk free, and just 18 bucks needed to get this SociEmpire. And if you start your agency business, then you can choose other upgrades. I think you get better result, I hope. And Cindy Donovan is one of the popular vendor on JPG Marketplace. If you check his profile, then you can see he is a renowned vendor. His reputation is quite good. I personally know him, and it's fine. Okay, now see, does SociEmpire a traffic solution? Yes. If you are a totally newbie and if you don't want to get paid traffic, instant traffic, then you can choose the free, and you can get traffic from like Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, LinkedIn, various social platforms. You can use the system. Okay, and if you want to get paid traffic, super targeted traffic to get instant sale, for this reason paid traffic added here. You can choose paid traffic or you can use free traffic. It's depend on you. And traffic is the main part. If you have traffic solution, then you have money solution. If you don't have traffic solution, you never make a single dollar. I can assure you, I can guarantee you. So you have to mainly focus on the traffic part. Okay, and I think it's a traffic solution. It may be free, it may be paid. It's depend on you. If you think no, I want to get paid traffic instantly right now, you have option. And no, I don't want paid traffic, I want free traffic, you have option 2. Now my final opinion, it's recommended, obviously highly recommended for the beginners, because it's 100% beginner friendly. You can start your social media marketing, it's 100% risk free, and here is super targeted traffic solution for both free and paid, and it's a money solution in 2-3 ways. You can start your social media marketing, you can start your agency business, then you are a freelancer, then you can start your freelancing smoothly using this social media marketing, using this agency business. So guys, it's my opinion. Now if you think I am right, my review is, my information is perfect, then like this video. And if you have first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to get this SociEmpire, then check my video description, learn more about this SociEmpire, get custom bonus, get discount inside my video description. Now let's see what you will get inside my video description. Okay, it's the sales page of SociEmpire. You can check the sales page, all the testimonial which other people use it, you can see. Okay, the process, working process. Okay, if you can use your personal account, you can use agency account, it's depend on you. So guys, if you really want to get this SociEmpire, then check my video description and get it. And if you think my review is informative, really informative, then like this video, comment this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more and more informative digital products review. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Bye.